Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for joining us today. Let's wait for another 5 minutes and ensure we have a good number of participants joining us. No worries, Harsh. It can play. Thank you, Harsh. I think we can start. I hope my screen's visible. Am I audible? Harsh, could you please give me a heads up, please?
Hey, hi, Vibha, you're audible.
Thank you so much, Harsh. My screen's visible as well, right?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Perfect. All right. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the webinar series 6, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Before we begin this session, I would like to thank each one of you for joining us today. We are excited to walk you through how 365 can streamline and strengthen your business. And as today's key speakers, we have Mr. Pradeep Kumar and Mr. Harsh Mahajan. Before we dive deep into the session, I would like to quickly walk through the our company profile and give a small introduction on who we are. So as you all know, we are a certified Microsoft partner and are with one goal to ensure small and large businesses grow smarter and faster with the right digital tools. And as you all can see on the screen, we have 75 plus 75 plus implementations delivered across GCC with 30 plus certified business consultants. And we ensure to have 98% client retention with for the last 5 years. And we are definitely striving forward to make this 100%. Moving forward, before we dive deep into the session, I would like to highlight the wide range of industry that we cater to. One is food and beverages, real estate, trading, manufacturing, packaging, etc. Today in this session, we would like to take you through D365 Business Central capabilities and how Copilot enhances it. And I would like to welcome Mr. Pradeep. Mr. Pradeep, are you there?
Yeah, hi, Vibha.
Hi, Mr. Pradeep. Thank you so much for joining us today. I would kindly request you to give a brief introduction about yourself, and then we can move forward with the session.
Thank you so much, Vibha, for introducing me here. So myself, Pradeep Yadav, having 17 plus year of experience with Dynamics 365 Business Central. So good afternoon, everyone, gentlemen and all. So let me share my screen. If it is visible, please acknowledge me.
Sure.
Yeah. I hope it's visible to everyone.
Yes, your screen's visible for us. Thank you so much,
Thank
Pradeep.
you. Yeah, thank you. So today we are going to see how the Copilot or AI engine is working in Business Central, how it's useful for our day-to-day operation, how it will streamline our digital transformation of the business processes, how it will improve our users and our business productivity, how it will be a creativity, how it will, the system will, how it will be drive as a AI generated documents and all, how it will eliminate your repetitive tasks like no need to do the follow-ups or no need to send the payable or receivables manually downloading with the system, and how it will be automated with the co-pilots. Whatever the intelligence reports we require, how we can apply the filters. We have to just give the command and how the system will work, that we will see here with Copilot. So these are the quick view, the Microsoft Business Central, they are allowing like guide, find, compare, or analyze. So we will see in the detail level how the system is working with the co-pilots, like reconciliation of the bank statement or any incoming documents which is coming in our email, how the co-pilot will learn take the data from the email to Business Central. So this is the example, like Copilot, it will work as a virtual assistant. So you can see here in the screen, whatever things I require, I will just type with Copilot and I will get the details, or I will get the output on the same screen. This is the bank reconciliation with Copilots, how it will take the files from the source path and how it will be take the auto generated statement number, how it will pass the total differential entries. Which same way, like we can see a customer ledger entry or item ledger entry, we can apply the no need to download data in the Excel with Copilot. Just give the command, pivot table or any reconciliation or analysis related tools will be automatically activated here. So this is the one example we can see here. The Copilot is reading our email, and based on that, the quotation is converting the order, or might be quotation is coming from the email. So now we will see in the Business Central how it is working. Let me reshare my screen with Business Central. So let me just give 1 minute brief about the Business Central. So this is a Dynamic 365 Business Central Enterprise Edition, which is covering all the modules of ERPs like finance, manufacturing, project, inventory, warehouse. So all the modules are available here, including the sustainability and system administrations, sales, marketing, manufacturing, purchasing. But in this, there are features of the sales order agent. So you can see the Copilot is learning my email, and based on that, there are options where I can review my emails, the email which is received from prospect or from the customers. So just now we receive the email. Please share the sales code for the below items. I'll say confirm. So we can see the AI engine is showing the task is in progress. So there is no any manual interventions. All are taken by the Copilot AI. Based on this inquiry or based on this opportunity in the emails, Business Central will convert it in the sales quotation, which will be a like documented report. And that will be also sent it by the Copilot to that prospect or that customer automatic. The good part is with Copilot, this is also checking the available to promise or capable to promise based on the requested item detail, whether they want certain quantity or they want 10 quantity, 100 quantity. So quote is created by the Business Central. Now we can review here. Whatever the details are received in the email, automatic system has created the quotations. If I'll say confirm, so AI generated content will be again review and it will send to the prospect or customer.
I think we lost you, Pradeep. We are unable to hear you.
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm just waiting for this because the system is showing task in progress. So
Okay, sure.
So email is going by the system. Let me just check my send item. So as of now, the review option is enabled. So each and every email I can review with the system. And once we have confidence on the system, we can directly send email from the Business Central to particular prospect or customers. So this is system generated report. Once I'll say confirm, so you can see message to this person. So automatic email sales quotation will be sent to the prospect or customer. In the same manner, the quotation will be also converted in the order. So this is the one example of the Copilot. Another thing is on, because this session is more on the inventory level. So at the item level, we can configure the multiple forecast level. For example, I need to see the forecast for next 24 months or next 12 months. So each and everywhere like Copilot is activated. So it will search the transactions. It will show here what was the unit price, what was the last and next shipment date for these items, what is the last modification of this item, what is the sales forecast. So here it is configured monthly wise. So we can configure here year wise or month wise, quarter wise forecast for the inventory. Another example is, for example, I'm searching the item ledger entry. Or I can give command here. So item ledger entry page will be created. Now here I can give the command of this like non-moving item since last 1 year. Non-moving items since last 1 year. Click generate. So these are the items which is non-moving since last 1 year. Same way we can apply the multiple way, the filters and all. We can also enable the pivot mode on the summary level, on the detail level. Another way, like for example, let's see the last purchase price of the items. Purchase lines. So here you can see I have enabled like order outstanding quantity. Let me click analysis 1 and we will apply the fresh filters. Last purchase price of any item. Let me take item this code. Or we can apply another filters. This will work based on the command. Display the list. Standing. Yeah. So all the orders along with the items, along with the outstanding quantity, it will be generated here with the help of the Copilot in Business Central. And if any email is coming in our inbox, so that will be enabled here. Again, we will review and it will show like please keep 5 quantity for the all items. So this is very helpful for the sales team. So in Business Central, there are several agents are available like sales order agents, payable agents, receivable agents, inventory level agents. So all agents will help us to digitalize our business processes and it will keep smooth our day-to-day activities. So do you have any questions or Viva, we can move to the next. Hello?
I think we can move, Pratik.
Yeah, please. Thank you, everyone.
Hi, Harsh. Good afternoon.
Hello, Biba. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone.
Request you to take over.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, hello, everyone. Myself, Harsh Mahajan. So, as you have seen, like how you can utilize Copilot, its capability in Dynamics 365 systems, as Pradeep has walked us through us. So now let's take a look one step ahead. So Microsoft, along with Copilot, has also another powerful AI platform called Azure OpenAI. So, like one of the most influential players in the AI revolution has been OpenAI. And recognizing the potential of OpenAI technology, Microsoft has formed a strategic partnership with OpenAI, investing billions into the development and integrating this AI model into Azure's cloud ecosystem. So with the Azure OpenAI, organization can access the OpenAI's cutting edge models directly through the Azure. So allowing them to build AI-driven applications for automation, customer engagement, content creation, and much more. And all while maintaining enterprise-grade security and compliance. Okay. So let's look into Azure OpenAI's capability. So the key features of sorry for that. The key features of Azure OpenAI is that it gives us access to advanced AI models like GPT-4, Codex, DALL-E for image generations, and so on. It also gives us capability to create custom AI model by fine-tuning the existing standard model. So business can train and customize AI for their specific needs. And at the same time, it is scalable and secure. So runs on Azure, ensures enterprise level security and compliance. Multi-industry applications as well. So it can be used for a chatbot or for a document automation or for analytics or forecasting or even for creating tasks like text to image generation and so on. So to summarize this, like Azure OpenAI capability, or it can be mainly used if you want to enhance the capability of your existing applications. So Azure OpenAI can integrate with your existing application, making it more AI driven and can enhance its potential. So let's take a look at one example today. So let's try to understand how Azure OpenAI can be used for KYC document verification. Before that, let's take a look at the high level architecture of the solution. So basically, KYC is a standard process and it is used across all the industries. Okay, and it is really important for organizations that the KYC documents are all up to date. So considering a trading company who is like working with, let's say, 200, 300 plus companies, and they want to maintain their KYC of all their customers, like business licenses, their passports, their VAT certificates, and all. So it's a very hectic activity to do. Okay, so even though we can have a web platform for managing it, but we can leverage Azure OpenAI capability to identify or to verify the documents which are uploaded by the customers. So to explain that, I have one small demo for you guys. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So this is how a standard a KYC application would look like, where someone can manage a company information, contact, banking details, and KYC, and so on. So since I'm going to talk about KYC and how OpenAI can be used for document verification, let's take a quick look at it. So here I have got a lot of, let's assuming like this are all of my vendors or customers. Okay. They can have business licenses or tax certificate, or it can vary based on the domain or business use cases. But with respect to this demo, I'll be working with business license example. So the main aim or the main goal of this uh, platform is to whenever customer uploads any document, it will check whether the document is correct, and second, it will check whether the document is not expired. Okay, so that it eliminates like uploading of expired documents at the entry level. Okay, so let's give an example. So I'll just upload one business license. Let's try to understand what. So once I upload this, it will go to Azure OpenAI and it would do the verification of this document. It has provided some file insights. So as you can see that I have uploaded last year's business license. So it says like the document is issued to Terracez. The type is also valid. It means that it says that uploaded document is of type business license, but it is expired. So with this, we eliminate the uploading of the wrong or invalid documents. Now take another example of a valid document, how it looks. So there is one VAT certificate which has been already been uploaded. So if the document is uploaded correctly, okay, it will fill up this form, pre-fill this form for customer to review it. If a user feels that everything is okay, they can just simply click on update and save this. So with this, data entry from the documents can also be automated, okay, along with the document verification. I hope you guys find this demo more interesting. To know more about the AI capabilities, I have also conducted a separate session or separate webinar for the same. I'm just putting the webinar link on the chat for everyone to go through it. Mhm. I hope the link is okay. Thank you, Viva, for that. So yes,
No
with
worries,
this,
Harsh, anytime.
yeah. So to just quickly summarize the key features once again, that Azure OpenAI gives us access to the powerful models with the capability to fine tune them as per your business requirements. Okay, so you can integrate with your CRMs or if your existing inventory management systems or any platforms. And it's most important thing that it is also securely managed by on the Azure ecosystem. So thank you everyone. Thank you, Vibha.
Thank you, Harsh. Thanks a lot for your time. So if we are open for questions now, if any one of you have questions, I kindly request you to put them in the chat section, so we'll be able to help you with it. Mm. Okay. All right. Since we don't have any questions, before we conclude, thank you so much, Harsh and Pradeep, for taking your time. And definitely, this session was definitely insightful. And if any one of you have any questions, I kindly request you all to write back to us at info@terracez.me. And with that, we would like to conclude this session. Thank you all. We'll get back to you hopefully on the next series. Until then, stay tuned.